Here's how to set up and connect your Logitech M185 wireless mouse to your PC or laptop. When you first take it out of the box, remove this plastic from the front of it, and then also remove the plastic along the edges of the mouse. To turn the mouse on, come to the bottom side of the mouse and flip this switch to the right like this. Now, to get the receiver, come to the back of the mouse and you want to press down here with your thumb where this arrow is. That's going to open this compartment and you'll see the battery that comes with the mouse, and you also see the receiver. Put it out with your finger and thumb like this. Now all you need to do is plug it into your laptop or computer. This mouse doesn't need any additional software or drivers to make it work. Once you plug in the receiver, it will work right away. So if you wanted to change a few settings, you could come to the bottom here and press the Windows button, then search for mouse settings, and you can change a few things. You can change the primary mouse button. You can also change how quick the mouse moves, or you can slow it down if you like. And then there's a few more additional settings. So that's how to connect your Logitech M185 wireless mouse to your PC or laptop.